Introducing the Sonix M15X Lite. In just 3 seconds, it folds effortlessly for easy storage and portability, ready to go wherever life takes you. With powerful dual motors, the Sonix M15X delivers a smooth, comfortable ride indoors and outdoors, offering up to 12 miles on a single charge. Choose from a variety of stylish colors to match your personality. The premium leather seats provide all-day comfort. The Sonix M15X conquers a variety of terrains with ease, from grass and ramps to sand, mud, snow, and bumpy roads. The Bluetooth remote control makes it simple for a companion to operate the wheelchair, giving you more freedom and ease when on the move. Experience freedom, style, and convenience with the Sonix M15X. Get yours today.